Hello and welcome to Hemisphere Cars. Today we're going to review some GM fuel wheel covers and see what kind of quality they have and how easily they're damaged and why. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's open this hood and check out this one that I already have installed. Okay, so I took this off earlier and one of the metal tabs just fell right off, and if you pull up on it, they break off. Okay, so you can see this is just melted on there and it's pretty weak design. I guess I'm going to get a soldering iron and touch it on there and try and melt it down, and then I'm going to do the same for the other one. Hopefully that'll be okay. Put that in. It looks like there's still enough plastic for me to do that with. We'll see how long that lasts. I think I will probably also add a little bit of JB Weld on each end after I rough it up. Make it a little bit stronger, because taking it on and off gently as I did and it still broke, I'm not real happy about that. So I'll get to work on this. So you can see these little points here, a little cone tip, then a notch, and then the structure of the post. Same on this one. It's just supposed to go on there, and then when you pull it up, it should come off. I don't know how they broke. I guess you could put it on and have it on the edge and twist it a little bit. I don't know. Doesn't seem like it was that difficult to put on. Just put it in the proper location and snap it in. But apparently they're very tender. As you can see, I've been polishing the aluminum on here, trying to make everything a little bit brighter, cleaner, more presentable. Okay, so I thought that these were melted on here, and that somehow it snapped off. But I said, after I looked at it closely, I said, these are so smooth and they don't look like they were broken. I said, but yet the metal tab is off. Well, watch this. You see that tab? I get my fingernail and it comes right off. So look at this. That's the only thing that's holding it on. Now, is that ridiculous or what? You tell me. So it's like it's a one-time installation. You put it on. If you don't put it on exactly right and you pull it back off, it falls apart. So if you think the quality control from this product is good, well, just look at that. Come on. It's made in China now, and they're cutting corners. So GM, come on, get your act together. Okay, so I'm going to rough this up, get some JB Weld, and put it on there, and hopefully that'll hold it so it can be put on numerous times. We shall see. So I have both tabs. Okay, have on my safety glasses. Always want to wear safety glasses when you're grinding. I have this Tack Life Dremel tool here. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. It's just a tool I bought. I don't know if it's good or not. I'm going to use it and see how it goes. Okay, I have it on 10. I'll switch it on. Just roughing this up a bit. Okay, I think I'm going to get something sharp also and scratch it a little deeper. Okay, I have this pick tool, and I'm going to use this pick tool to make some deeper scratches in it for the JB Weld to hold on to. Okay, I think that should be good enough. If not, we'll find out. Okay, work with chemicals, so I have my safety glasses on again. And if you're used to doing repairs, probably used JB Weld before. It takes equal parts of both colors. So there's the black. And then I'm not sure which one is the hardener. I think it's the white. So equal parts. This particular one is the marine type. I don't probably need to use this quality for the water or whatever, but it's just what I had, and it should be more than good enough. I have 2 sticks here that I've cut up from a wedge, one for the mix, one for the application, or vice versa. I might do another way. We'll see. Okay, this stuff seems pretty strong. So first I'm going to apply some before I put the metal tabs on there, so there'll be JB Weld in all positions. Wow, this stuff, I guess I didn't mix a whole lot of it. I'd have to do another batch for the next one. Okay, let's just get one tab. Put it on. Okay. Now I'll get some more of this JB Weld and put it on top. I don't work with JB Weld every day, so I'm just doing what I think will work. Maybe the second pin will look a little better, but don't count on it. Okay. They say to leave this on 4 to 6 hours. I'm just going to leave it overnight. Hopefully that works. Okay, and I'll do the second batch. Same deal. Let me get a new cardboard. Well, I guess I can work with this. Okay. Well, I have to buy some regular JB Weld because this stuff, this marine stuff, is a little more expensive, and I'm going through it like crazy. Okay. Second verse, same as the first. Let's mix this up. I know I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not. It would be a better idea. I should have taken my time and gotten some gloves. No doubt about that. Okay, here we go again. Slap it on there. Using the big stick. Okay, that's all right for the side anyway. Here we go again. Put this on. There you go. And now I'm going to put the JB Weld over that. So next time I install one of these, I do have a brand new one, which I don't need to install because the other one I have is in good condition. But if it ever breaks, I will be using JB Weld on it before I install it for the first time. Okay, there it is. Hopefully that works. I'll let it dry overnight and then put it back on the Corvette, the 1994 C4 Corvette. Okay, here we have a factory original fuel rail cover and the one I bought on eBay. So once again, okay, so here we have the original factory fuel rail cover, and as you can see, this is sturdy. This is not coming off. So compared to the other one which I showed you earlier, which just had a little O-ring on it, it just came right off. I don't understand why they were doing that. It's some kind of quality control mistake. So here's the new one that I did the repair on. So they should stay in there now. Hopefully, won't be any problem. So let's go over to the Corvette and put this thing on and see what happens. Okay, here we are back again at the Corvette, 1994 C4 Corvette, and here's the fuel rail cover. So let's put this thing back on. Let's put this, yeah, back on, I guess. Okay, let's see. Little pin goes over here. Okay, it's on there. It's on there good. Now I'm going to take it off and see if it breaks, like I did earlier with the other way it was manufactured. Well, as you see, it's fine. How about that? Okay, so the repair worked, and so just a little warning to everybody that's buying one of these, that you might have to do a repair. Probably want to do it before you install it, just to get ahead of the game. Thank you for watching. Hope you tune in next time. There it is, reinstalled after I took it off. Well, if you're wondering what all these balls are around here, make a comment. I'll tell you what they are and why I have them.